Let us look at how we can do subtraction of signed integers using 2's complement. If we have to do this computation x minus y, we will take the 2's complement of y and add it to x using the add rule. And what does the add rule say? That ignore the carry from the MSB. From the most significant bit, we have to ignore the carry, and that the result has to be representable in the n bits that we are using in the representation. As long as this is taken care of, you will get the correct result. Let us take an example. Plus 6 minus plus 4. This is x and this is y. So we have to take the 2's complement of y. That means we have to take the 2's complement of plus 4. This is plus 4. I am taking the 1's complement and I am adding 1 to it. This will become minus 4. The 2's complement I have to add to x. This is representation of plus 6 in binary, and I am using 4 bits for representation. The same you can do with 8 or more bits also. To this plus 6, I have to add the 2's complement of plus 4. So 2's complement of plus 4 I am going to add, which is 1 1 0 0 0 1 0, carry of 1 0, and this carry I have to ignore. This is the result, which is plus 2, and this is the correct result. Plus 6 minus plus 4 is plus 2. As it is, the range with 4 bits is minus 8 to plus 7. So plus 2 can be represented in this using 4 bits. Let us take another example. Let us take plus 5 minus minus 2. This is x and this is y. I have to take the 2's complement of y. So you can see that if I take the 2's complement of y, it would give me minus 2. First, let us see how minus 2 has been stored in the machine. So minus 2 will be stored in the machine as the 2's complement of 2. So 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1, add a 1 to it. So this is minus 2, and this is how the minus 2 has been stored in the machine. Now I have to take the 2's complement of minus 2. If you take this, you will get plus 2 back. This is what we had said also, that the 2's complement of minus 2 would give me a 2. So I have to add x, which is 5, with 2's complement of minus 2, which is 2, 0 0 1 0. And this is what I get, 7. This is the correct answer. Let us take another example where I am subtracting minus 5, and from minus 5 I am going to subtract plus 4. So first of all, I have to see how minus 5 is stored in the machine. Minus 5 will be stored in the machine as the 2's complement of plus 5. This is plus 5. Take the 1's complement and add 1. So this is 1 0 1 1. This is minus 5. And this is how it has been stored in the machine. 1 0 1 1. Now I have to subtract plus 4 from this. So this is y. When I have to subtract y, I have to take the 2's complement of y. Y currently is this. If I take the 2's complement of y, I will get this. This is minus 4. 1 1 0 0. This is 2's complement of 4. Now I have to add them. and ignore the carry out. So I get this. You see that this number was negative because the most significant bit is 1. This number was also negative. The most significant bit was 1. The answer that I am getting is a positive answer. This is an incorrect answer because -5 minus 4 would give me -9, and this result I cannot represent using 4 bits. The range for 4 bits is -8 to +7. So this results in an overflow, and I can say that this result is incorrect. So while doing the subtractions or additions, we have to see that the result is capable of being represented in 2's complement form in the n bit that are available for us.